doing well. So after a long break, I'm here again to upload the videos. This time, are you finding difficult to make your child write numbers 1 to 10 or any basic numbers? Then I have an idea for you. Actually, there is an easy way to teach your child to remember the number and to make them write easily. Okay, this is through a rhyme. So this is how I am teaching in my school. If you want, you can also follow. One stroke down, we have the one. One stroke down, we have the one. One stroke down, we have the one to make the number one. Now how to teach number 2? Very simple. Half a circle. This is half a circle, right? This is the circle. Just rub it. Half a circle. Half a circle, sleeping line. Half a circle, sleeping line. Half a circle, sleeping line to make the number 2. Now number 3. Again, half a circle, half a circle. If you sing the same song every day, it will be very easy with the doing action. Make your child doing with action. If you sing the song, they can learn, they can write without any difficulty. Half a circle, 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 half a circle to make the number, yes, 3. Now how to write number 4? Yes. Slanting, sleeping, standing line, slanting, sleeping, standing line, slanting, sleeping, standing line to make the number 4. Now number 5. Standing, half a circle, sleeping line. 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 Standing, half a circle, sleeping line to make the number 5. Now number 6. Very easy. First, C curve. What is this? C. Okay. C curve and a circle in. C curve and a circle in. C curve and a circle in to make the number 6. Now number 7. Sleeping line and slanting line. Sleeping line and slanting line. Sleeping line and slanting line to make the number 7. Now how to make your child 8? Writing 8 is little difficult. So this is how I am teaching my children. C curve, reverse it, go up. C curve, reverse it, go up. C curve, reverse it, go up. C curve, reverse it, go up to make the number 8. You are right. Now number 9. Simple. Smaller circle. Okay. Smaller circle, standing line. Smaller circle, standing line. Smaller circle, standing line to make the number 9. Now very simple, easy. One stroke and a circle beside. One stroke and a circle beside. One stroke and a circle beside to make the number 10. Now is it easy? Okay. So I'll come with new ideas to you. Till that, take care. Bye bye.